Hi, today I'm from the INFINIX Hot 20i and I'll show you how to customize Always On Display option on this device. So first let's unlock our phone and open the Muviz Edge application. So now let's just select one from these available themes, click apply. If you want to change the backgrounds of the theme, just swipe to the up or to the down to select the theme which you like, then click to apply. If you want to hide the music controls on the lock screen after 10 seconds or just to don't hide them, just slide to the left or to the right side this white dot. Also, if you want to turn on or turn off notifications and calendar, you should use the switchers. Just click on the switcher to turn them on or turn them off. And the battery status, you can show it always while they were charging or just don't show it on the lock screen. Let's go back, click to the 6 icons, switch AD to the settings and tap to Always On Display section. Here we can also change the showing time on lock screen always while they were charging. On music mode, we can also use these two options separately. If you want to just decrease or increase, change the screen timeout from 1 minute just to never, also slide this white dot. To decrease or increase the brightness level, just hold and slide to the left or to the right side this dot. And you can also close it with a double or single tap on the lock screen. If you use the fingerprint unlock method, you can use also the fingerprint to close it and on screen off. Also we can set the schedule, the start and the end time of the AOD option, and we can disable it during the calls. So that's it, that's how to customize Always On Display option on our INFINIX phone. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.